Welcome. In front of me is an Honor Magic V2, and today I will show you how you can wipe cache partition on this phone. So to get started, let's hold power button, and when you have the options visible, select power off. Now, once the device turns off, you want to hold your power button and the volume up at the same time. After about a couple seconds, you will see Honor logo on the screen, at which point you can let go of the power button but keep holding volume up. Give it like 5 more seconds or so and the logo should disappear, at which point you can also let go of the power button, of the volume up, my bad. So there we go. And then give it a second, it will give us a message. Please see the main screen. This isn't the main screen, so we're gonna open it up. And inside you can see the recovery mode. So here, using volume buttons, you want to select clear data, confirm it with the power button, then select wipe cache partition, confirm it, give it a second, it's going to start wiping it, and there we go. So it's done. We're going to now select back and restart, confirm it, and this will now bring us back to Android. And there we go. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.